How are you?
Good, good. I have Gilbert here. He is wanting to become a student here at the College of Southern Idaho, so I thought I would give him a tour of some of the programs that we offer. That I would stop here at the greenhouse and see a little bit about the horticulture college.
Good, well I'm glad you stopped by, thanks.
Yeah, can you tell us a little bit about the programs that we have here?
I sure can, yeah, this is the horticulture program. We teach greenhouse and nursery management and landscape design and arboriculture here.
Awesome, great. What kind of certificate and degrees do we offer?
There's quite a few to choose from. So we have a 2-semester technical certificate and a 4-semester Associate of Applied Science, and also a couple transfer options, one in horticulture and one in landscape design.
Great, we have quite a few options.
Yeah.
How does the classroom look like? Hands-on, books?
Yeah, so students are right here in the greenhouse for most of their classes, and we also spend a lot of time outside doing hands-on work.
Awesome, and I think that's the best way to learn, right? Hands-on.
Yeah.
Yeah, what kind of jobs can a student get with those degrees?
So many students who finish here work as landscape technicians or greenhouse nursery managers. Some also go on to get a certificate in arboriculture and become tree care experts. And a few others become landscape designers.
Awesome. What's the salary like with those jobs?
Yeah, as varied as the jobs, right? But of course, self-starters can have a higher earning potential, and the jobs and career options are open and available and abundant right now.
Great, awesome. Well, if a student has more questions or Gilbert has more questions, who do they contact?
They can contact me, Chance Munns, here at CSI at 208-732-6431.
Awesome, thank you. Let's look at some other plants.